everyone, it's Jen, and recently on YouTube there has been a huge trend going on where YouTubers that are not beauty gurus try to follow a makeup tutorial from an actual beauty guru. Beauty gurus like James Charles, Jeffree Star, Nikki Tutorials, all those typical flawless makeup artists on YouTube that are just kind of impossible to achieve. So I'm gonna be following the YouTube trend as one does and do one myself, but with a little twist. I'm not just gonna be doing any typical makeup artist makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing Glam Gore's makeup tutorial. And for those of you who don't know, Glam Gore is a makeup artist on YouTube that does like gory special effects, mostly like Halloween makeup, but she also adds like her own little spice of glam into it, which I think is really cool. I've actually been watching her since I was in high school. I think I was like a senior when I discovered her, so I'm 20 now, so I've been watching her for like 3 years, and I've always wanted to recreate one of her looks, but I actually haven't. So today I'm going to be doing just that. So I'm going to be attempting to follow and recreate her glam Pennywise look, and we're just going to get right into it and see how that goes. All right, let's start this bad boy up.
Start by blocking your brows. You can do—
Okay, so she already has like a kind of full face of makeup on, but I'm sure I can get to that eventually later in the tutorial, but we'll just keep watching.
By brushing your brow hairs up flat, then layering glue stick and translucent powder on top until they're covered and—
Okay, so I don't have a glue stick. I can't drag queen my eyebrows away. So we're gonna leave these on. I mean, I don't have much eyebrows to begin with, so we're just gonna see how it goes if I leave my half eyebrows on.
Then I am paling up my base, or in your case, you can just go straight for lighter foundation. Lighter in my case is white, but I did a couple of layers of that on the higher center areas to keep a natural contour around the perimeter of my face, and blended that out with a beauty blender.
Okay.
Next.
So she basically is really pale, and she uses a white concealer to kind of make her face look more pale. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to pretty much just cover my face with my normal foundation, but I'm also gonna mix in some white face paint just to make my face look a little whiter, even though I'm also pretty white to begin with. Okay, this is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, for those of you who want to know. I'm just gonna put a little there. Oh, that's actually too much. And then I'm gonna take this and just put a little, come on, put a little, oh! Okay, I guess that works. And I'm gonna just mix it up and see if I think it's the right color for me. Oh wait, I should put my hair up before I do any of this. Oh god, I've already made a huge mistake. Oh shit! Oh wow, I'm an idiot. Oh god, okay. Be really careful. Being really, really careful. Ah, okay, careful, 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 okay. Whew, whew. I think we're good. Let's start. I think this is a good color. It might be a little too white, but we'll see. Oh wow. Yeah, that's very white, but we'll work with it. I mean, I'm supposed to be a clown, so I should look white to begin with. But I don't want to look too white because it's supposed to be like a beautiful Pennywise, like a glam Pennywise. So I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a beauty blender and blend it all into my skin. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. All right, Mikey, what's next?
Next, do an intense but basic smoky eye.
Smoky eye.
The way I do mine is generally drawing on my lid with black liner to keep the base dark.
Okay.
And then blend out above that with a black shadow. I usually use a—
Okay, so I gotta do a smoky eye now, which I already know how to do pretty well, I think. So, yeah, we're just gonna go in and do that. I use tape to do a smoky eye because I like it to be kind of winged. So, oh, but I just put on foundation. Okay, well, that's all right. We'll reapply it after. Okay, let's do this. Okay, smoky eye liner. Here we go. Okay, honestly, I think this might be as good as it's gonna get. Yeah. The thing about a smoky eye is it takes forever, literally forever, to blend. I've like been sitting here for what feels like half an hour, but it's probably only been like 5 minutes. All right, I think I'm done with this. Ow! How does that look? Okay? Well, too bad. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I don't care how terrible it looks. I'm done. I'm done. All right, let's see here. All right, I'm not gonna lie. The fact that I don't have eyebrows right now is really bothering me. So I'm just gonna draw some on really quickly. All right, done with the eyes and the eyebrows. Moving on.
Then I'm using a red water-activated paint, but you could use any other makeup product that's red and eye safe, and I'm simply drawing the same lines Pennywise has. Watch out though, because smearing red anything is the biggest pain in the butt to correct.
Okay.
I flipped up several.
All right, so she already has red lipstick on, which I have right here, so I'm just gonna put that on really quick, and then I'm going to start attempting to draw the lines up through the face. Okay, so I just got some red lipstick on my hand, and I just rubbed my nose without realizing it, so that's cool. But then I realized that we're gonna be filling in the nose anyway with red, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Try not to let it bother you. Okay, so I'm gonna take this red face paint that I already own and start drawing the lines on my face. Okay. That wasn't bad. That was not bad at all. I think I'm gonna have to make them a little bit thicker though. So let's try to do that again. Oh God, I totally messed that up. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. We can fix this. Oh yeah, I definitely made that too thick. Should I just leave it or should I? Okay, hold on. Oh my God, I totally messed this up. Oh, I hate myself. How do, okay, that's good enough for me. Oh, that turned out good. Okay, we're good. Okay, honestly, I think that's as good as it's gonna get for now, so I'm just gonna stop right there and continue on with the next step.
Line your lips with red. I already have that going on, obviously, but I just cleaned up the liner area a bit. Draw on the nose using a reference picture of Pennywise as your guide.
Okay, draw on the nose. I'm just gonna use her nose as a guide because I'm too lazy to look up a photo of the actual Pennywise. I also have a nose ring right here, so filling that in is gonna be very, interesting to say the least. Okay. Am I supposed to paint inside my nostrils? Because I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh! I did it! That was way easier than this whole thing. Alright, Mikey, what's next?
And next, I'm using a black water-activated paint to outline all of our red areas. This just makes the make.
Okay, I'm not doing that. Nope, I'm sorry. I already spent too much time just drawing simple lines to begin with. I am not outlining with a darker color. I'm sorry, we're skipping that step.
We're whipping out the glitter.
Glitter?
Not green, but I'm just as scared. I used lash glue to start covering sections of basically anywhere we had painted red. So the lines, lips, and nose. And before that section dried, I covered it in glitter by patting it on with a pencil brush. So
I do have lash glue and I also have some red glitter here, so what I think I'm gonna do is, well, exactly what she did. Okay, so far the glitter's working out a lot better than everything else. Oh yes, oh yes. I'm a motherfucking genius. And this is where my audio somehow got cut out, so I'm gonna have to voice over the rest of this video. But anyway, I continued watching her video, and she started putting rhinestones on her face around the eye area with lash glue, and just trying to make herself look a little more pretty and a little more glam. So that's what I basically started to do. What was that? And that was pretty much it for the rest of the tutorial. She also added some creepy ass contacts and teeth, which I didn't have the teeth, but I did have contacts. I had white contacts that I had from a few Halloweens ago, so I decided to put those in. And let me tell you, girl, let me tell you, they were painful as hell. Look at that. Can you see the pain and fear in my eyes? You can see that I'm freaking out, that oh my god, I'm gonna get an eye infection, I'm gonna get glaucoma. So I didn't keep those in for very long, and my eyes turned very, very red, so yeah. Clearly, I was in a lot of pain, but anyway, I wanted to end the video as quickly as possible, so here's me saying thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click the little circle icon right here to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Damn, that was in sync. Oh, you okay, girl? You okay? Alright, goodbye.